So second reaction after the glycolysis. So glycolysis is involving the glucose molecule converted into the pyruvic acid. This cycle is going into the cytoplasm, in the cell cytoplasm. This after the glycolysis cycle, it will be starts the Krebs cycle. Next stage, Krebs cycle. So this Krebs cycle discovered by the Sir Hansi Krebs in 1937. So this is called the scientist of Krebs. The name is Krebs cycle. So this cycle is first product is appeared the citric acid. So this is called the citric acid cycle also, and as well as the 3-carboxylic acid groups are involving in this cycle. So that is called the tricarboxylic acid cycle also. This is the tricarboxylic acid cycle. So in this pathway, first reaction is the condensation. So this condensation reaction starts with the oxaloacetic acid plus acetyl CoA. So where it is acetyl CoA produced. So after the glycolysis cycle, so pyruvic acid converted into the acetyl CoA. So pyruvic acid converted into the acetyl CoA. So pyruvic acid 3-carbon molecule is converted into the acetyl CoA. CoA means coenzyme, 2-carbon molecule. So it is the converted into pyruvic acid 3-carbon molecule, 1 NAD, and it will be turned into the NADH2 as well as the coenzyme A, and it is released the carbon dioxide. So this is the pyruvic acid before the Krebs cycle starts. So the pyruvic acid converted into the acetyl CoA. So this acetyl CoA, the first reaction condensation in the Krebs cycle. So oxaloacetic acid, acetyl CoA gives rise to citric acid plus coenzyme A. So the first product is citric acid in this Krebs cycle with the enzyme, with the help of enzyme citric synthetase. So first citric acid is product is appeared. So this is the citric acid cycle, that is called the citric acid cycle. The second reaction, dehydration. So when the citric acid aconitase with the help of enzyme aconitase, cis-aconitic acid convert to the cis-aconitic acid plus H2O. So this is the dehydration. H2O is going to the outside. So the third reaction, hydration. Hydration means H2O molecule going to the under the cycle. Cis-aconitic acid plus H2O gives rise to isocitric acid with the help of aconitase enzyme. So fourth reaction, oxidation. So oxidation, where the isocitric acid is produced, isocitric acid in the oxidation reaction plus NAD, isocitric dehydrogenase enzyme with the help of isocitric dehydrogenase, it will be converted into oxalosuccinic amlam, oxalosuccinic acid plus NADH2, oxalosuccinic acid. This is the fourth reaction. And fifth, decarboxylation. Oxalosuccinic acid converted to alpha ketoglutarate acid as well as CO2. Oxalosuccinic decarboxylase with the help of enzyme oxalosuccinic decarboxylase, alpha ketoglutarate acid plus CO2. This is the fifth reaction. And sixth, oxidation decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means CO2 is going to the outside of the cycle. So that is called the decarboxylation. So alpha ketoglutarate acid plus NADH plus coenzyme A. With the help of alpha ketoglutaric dehydrogenase enzyme. So succinyl CoA plus NADH2 plus CO2. Succinyl CoA plus NADH2 plus CO2. So this is the oxidation decarboxylation. When the CO2 is released, that is called the decarboxylation. So here is decarboxylation and fifth also decarboxylation. Two reactions is the CO2 is going to the outside. So seventh, cleavage. So when the succinyl CoA plus GDP, guanosine diphosphate and inorganic phosphate, succinic thiokinase with the help of enzyme succinic thiokinase. So succinic acid plus GTP, guanosine triphosphate plus CoA. So this is the end products, succinic thiokinase. And eighth reaction, oxidation. So oxidation, succinic acid plus FAD. And succinic dehydrogenase is the enzyme fumaric acid plus FADH2. So this is the end products. Ninth, hydration. Hydration means the hydrogen molecule is used. The fumaric acid plus H2O, fumarase with the help of enzyme malic acid. So this is the ninth reaction, malic acid. So malic acid is 10th reaction, malic acid plus NAD, malic dehydrogenase enzyme with the help of malic dehydrogenase and oxaloacetic acid. This is the end product of this Krebs cycle, oxaloacetic acid plus NADH2. So this is the last reaction is the Krebs cycle. So in this whole reaction, 3 carboxylic acids is produced, that is called the tricarboxylic cycle. And first reaction is citric acid is appear, so that is called the citric acid cycle. So this cycle is named, the 3 types of names are there. First Krebs cycle, citric acid cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle. So this is the end product of oxaloacetic acid is the end product in the Krebs cycle. This whole cycle, 10 reactions involved in the cell organelle like mitochondria matrix. So this is the Krebs cycle.